Really? Wow, I can't wait until I'm aged like you so I don't have to worry about important things.
To live just as nature intended.
Am I right? Wait, what am I looking at right now? Why are you hanging off the earth like a bat? Dingle hopper! Hey, we were just talking about you. All good things, all good things. No! I'm not eating cake. But it's an ice cream cake. Anna? Elsa? Sven? Samantha? I don't even know it's Samantha. Well, I guess hawks need traditions too. They just can't get my nose right. Here comes the smolder. So come on, Elsa's this way. Let's go bring back summer!